footage of a Mimosa pudica. All right, and now we walk from here. All right, I'll let you guys decide. You want to take the crazy, super steep, insane shortcut? You don't even. There's also this way. It's getting a little crazy. We made it. Down.
We've got time for the plan.
I mean, it's not this season. We looked all over here. We're about to give up hope. And we finally found one right here. Look at this scraggly guy. This is a Mimosa pudica. And I'm not touching it yet because I want to get my big camera set up. And I'll show you guys the shots that I got with the camera on the tripod.